Hey everyone, today I'm trying out the Photoshop beta. It has the new generative fill tool, so I do want to try it out. So I'm going to take the lasso tool and I want to add a candle. Let's go up a little bit higher, right in the middle of the cake. Let's put colorful birthday candle. Let's see what happens. And it's as simple as that. This looks amazing, and you can look at the variations on the right hand side. I want to try out a few more, so I can click on generate again and it's going to give me 3 more options. Yeah, so these look really good, and it did not distort her face at all. I wonder if I can put the letter M birthday candle for my name. Okay, that's a little bit wonky, but that one looks better. Yeah, that one looks much better as well. So yeah, so this is also a great way to create customized graphics for people. So just have to play around with it a bit more. I did try to add sprinkles, but it did not give me the results. So I'm going to try it again and show you guys. So I'm just going to add the word sprinkles. As you can see, it did not add sprinkles at all. It did change the texture of the frosting pattern, but it did not add the sprinkles at all. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. Let's try one more thing. I'm going to create a rather large selection here. Now I'm going to type in a tiered tray of cupcakes. Let's see what happens. So it added a similar cake, which is actually helpful. It's interesting that it actually matched it. That looks really good. I actually like this cake better than this one. And just to make the image a bit more fun, let's click on, I'm just going to click on select subject. Let me just touch up a few quick areas. Alright, looks okay. Then I'm just going to click on invert selection. And I want to fill the background with some confetti just to make it extra fun. Let's put pastel confetti. Okay, wow, that image, that added a lot. Wow, now I like this one a lot. Yeah, so we're going to keep this one. And this is just a quick example of how you can use the Adobe Generative Fill for food blogging, for food photography, for your recipe books, and you can just quickly add different details so that you can optimize the images that you have. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.